Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make brownies without an oven. First, gather all your ingredients including cocoa powder, sugar, and butter to ensure a smooth process. Next, prepare your heat-proof pan, ideally around 8 by 8 inches, by lining it with parchment paper for easy removal. Then, gently melt your butter and chocolate together over low heat, stirring until smooth and fully combined. This foundational step sets the stage for delicious, fudgy brownies. Once your chocolate and butter are melted, remove them from the heat. Stir in the sugar until it dissolves, then whisk in the eggs one at a time until fully incorporated. Next, gently fold in your dry ingredients, like flour and additional cocoa powder, being careful not to overmix. Transfer this rich batter to a saucepan and cook it over low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring constantly until it thickens. After the batter has thickened on the stove, immediately pour it into your prepared 8 by 8 inch pan. Spread it evenly with a spatula to ensure a consistent thickness. Now comes the hardest part, patience. Place the pan in the refrigerator and chill the brownies for at least 2 hours or until they are completely firm. Once set, lift them out using the parchment paper, cut into 16 squares, and enjoy your delicious, oven-free treat. For an extra depth of flavor, try adding a small pinch of salt to your brownie batter. It really makes the chocolate pop. If you happen to have any leftovers, which is unlikely, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 or 4 days to maintain their freshness. And speaking of keeping things fresh, make sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers, perfect for meal prep, along with other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.